Want to use your favorite extensions in incognito mode for ultimate privacy while browsing? First, open your Chrome browser and click on the three vertical dots located in the upper right-hand corner of the window. This opens the Chrome menu where you can access the settings and other options. In the drop-down menu, navigate to Extensions and then select Manage Extensions. This will open a new tab where all your installed extensions are listed. You'll see a list of all the extensions you've installed. Find the extension you want to use in incognito mode. Y and click the Details button on its card. This will take you to a detailed view of that specific extension. Scroll down the Details page until you find the option labeled Allow in Incognito. Simply toggle the switch to the On position. Now open a new incognito window, and the extension will be active and ready to use. Enjoy enhanced privacy with the functionality you need. That's how you can enable your extensions in incognito mode. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.